Hello everyone, Sarah here again, and today I'm going to do a how-to video on how to clean the dust out of a PlayStation 4. The reason why you want to do this is because dust creates overheating, and that's literally the one thing your PlayStation needs to function properly is good ventilation. And so you actually want to do this pretty good amount of time, like maybe every 6 months, or depending on how long you play it, how frequently you play it. But you will need a can of compressed air. I have the Dust Off brand. You can get any brand that you want as long as it has this long little thing so you can get into the edges. And then I have a Tecton little case it comes with, because you need the TR8 bolt tip. That's the one you'll use most. And then you need a Phillips too. So first, what you want to do is unplug it from wherever you have it. Unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 screws with the TR8. I already did it, but that's what you want to do. Then next, you gotta slide this thing off. Just pops right off. You can dust it too. To give it a little squirt. And then next, you have to take off the other end. And to do that, you have to unscrew a couple more screws. I think there's 2. I already did that too, because this is the hardest part, is taking this part off, and didn't want it to take up all the time. So this part won't come off that easily. You have to really, really pry it out. Let's go again. And then I'm going to take the Phillips bolt head and unscrew this guy. It's the hard drive, so you can dust inside that too. And it just slides out like that. Give it a couple sprays inside that. Next, you want to flip it over and take the bottom one off. This is much easier than the top part. Just comes off like that. And this encompasses what you really want to blow with the air. So you can blow this. Make sure there's no dust on it anymore, so it can be healthy. And next you just spray inside this fan. Is what holds most of the dust, so you want to get in that really good. Go and then continue to dust. Clean the dust off the sides. That's where it really gets in there. You can go further inside of this too by taking off all of these screws and getting inside of that. But that's a lot of work, and I want to play it tonight. So, alright, once you got that fan all cleaned off, you just put it back on. Put all this stuff back on. Harder than you think. You want to put the hard drive back on. Screw that back in. You can also just randomly spray, and I'm sure a lot of dust would come out of that too. And then put on this side. Then you get your TR8. put it back on there. And one goes here. One goes here. And just like that. Then you screw on your last bolts, first ones that you took off. One, two, three, four. Alrighty. And then you can dust the sides. And then if you really want to get into it, I like to take a Q-tip and go on the sides, just to get any that is left over inside your little things, your USBs, all the way down to the back. And dust will come out. Okay, and that is how you clean the dust out of your PlayStation 4. Again, try and do this between 4 and 6 months, depending on how often you play it and for how long you play it. And that should keep your PlayStation running smoothly. Alright, I'm Sarah. Thank you for watching.